Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can remove queue on Spotify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Spotify and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, you're gonna find all of the sections. There's the home section. Here you're gonna find search. Here you're gonna find the option to expand your library. And right here, you're gonna find all of your playlists. So right here, as you can see guys in the bottom, you're gonna find the option to turn on or turn off the shuffle. Here you can go to back or next. You can play the song. If you go right here, you can, as you can see guys, enable now play and view. Here you can also enable viewing lyrics. And right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find queue and lastly connected device. So we're gonna click on queue. And then as you can see guys here, you're gonna find your queue. And you're gonna also find your recently played songs. So right now, as you can see guys, I don't have anything in my queue. So right now I'm gonna go to one of my playlists, then add a song to my queue. So just hover your mouse over the song. Here you can play it. And here in the right, if you click on these three dots, you can add it to a playlist. You can remove from this playlist, remove from your liked songs. And here you can add it to the queue. Go to the song radio, go to artist, go to album, view credits, or share the song. So we're gonna click on add to queue. Then we're gonna go back to queue. And then once you're here, under queue, you're gonna find now playing. And under it, you're gonna find next in queue. So if you want to remove it from the queue, just click on clear queue. Then here, you're gonna find this message, clear this from your queue. This cannot be undone. So go ahead and click on yes. And then you can easily remove it from your queue. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.